Hey everyone, Suishyball here. This is the Blizzard Blast Instant Snowy Mountain. And all you have to do is put in water with a powder and a lot of snow will just start coming out of the mountain. So let's check this toy out. Here's the mountain, and inside is this little packet of white powder. And all we have to do is open up a little corner to make a spout and then pour the white powder in. Once it's all in there, all you have to do now is pour in the water and watch the awesomeness unfold. I have some water right here, and let me just pour that in. Alright, here we go. And the snow is starting to form. That's pretty amazing. It actually looks like real snow. And looks like all the snow has formed now. And that's what our blizzard mountain looks like. There's some snow here. And snow on top of this mountain. So that's it for this toy. I'll see you guys next time.